Stop scrolling, because you don't need $50,000 to drive something fast. Under $15,000, there are cars that can seriously surprise people on the road. Cars that look normal, but perform like absolute beasts. But here's the truth. Some are hidden gems, and some can quietly drain your wallet if you choose wrong. So today, I'm showing you the fastest cars under $15,000 that are actually worth your money. Now, this is not about top speed numbers. This is about real acceleration, driving feel, and performance for the price. Because a car doesn't need crazy horsepower to feel fast. Sometimes, a lightweight car, a turbo engine, or the right setup can completely change everything. And one more thing, at this budget, condition matters more than brand. A well-maintained, slower car is always better than a fast car that's falling apart. Now, let's get into it. 1. Chevrolet Cobalt SS Turbo, one of the biggest sleeper cars ever made. Looks basic, drives like a rocket. Turbocharged engine with around 5.5 seconds 0 to 60. Lightweight, quick, and unexpected. Just make sure it hasn't been abused. 2. Volkswagen GTI MK5 Mark VI, a perfect mix of speed and practicality. Turbocharged, responsive, and fun. Feels fast in real driving, not just on paper. And with a small tune, it becomes a completely different car. 3. Infiniti G35 Coupe. Strong V6 engine with smooth power. Rear-wheel drive gives it that sporty feel. It's fast, but also comfortable. Only downside, it drinks more fuel. 4. BMW 330i E90. This is where driving experience matters. Balanced, smooth, and responsive. It's not just speed, it's control. But maintenance can be expensive, so always buy carefully. 5. Ford Focus ST. Modern turbo performance. Quick acceleration and super fun to drive. It pulls hard in mid-range speeds and feels aggressive on the road. 6. Hyundai Genesis Coupe V6. Looks like a sports car, drives like one too. Rear-wheel drive with strong V6 power. Very underrated in this price range. A great mix of style and performance. Before you buy any fast car under $15,000, remember this. Speed is fun, but reliability is everything. Because a cheap fast car can quickly become expensive if it breaks down. So always check service history, engine condition, and previous modifications. And if possible, always get the car inspected before buying. This one step alone can save you thousands. So here's the reality. You don't need a huge budget to enjoy speed. Under $15,000, there are still cars that deliver real performance. You just need to choose smart. If you want next videos, I can make fastest cars under $10,000, cheap cars that look expensive, cars you should never buy used. And don't forget to subscribe, because we're just getting started.